Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Belle. Happy birthday to you.
You know?
Happy birthday!
Explain it, but I can't explain it.
Belinda, happy birthday, first of all. Salamat sa pagiging isang tunay na kaibigan na talagang sumusuporta sa akin, sa aming lahat. And I just hope you never lose how genuine you are and how selfless you are and how humble you are. Kasi I'm sure malayo pang mararating mo. Sobra. So, can't wait to see what the future has in store for you. And proud ako sa'yo. Na sobrang proud ako sa'yo, grabe. Sa witness ko ang buong journey mo, simula nung he's into her.
Kaya niya na yan. Bahala lang.
Sila na yan. Sila na.
Pero in all seriousness, I'm so excited for what the future has in store for you pa. Kasi grabe yung na-achieve mo ngayon at grabe pang ma-achieve mo. And I'm so lucky that I get to be here by your side. Kaya happy birthday. Alam mo naman na I'll always be here to support you and be here for you. So, hope you have the best year ahead of you. Happy birthday. First of all, it's just so nice that at such a young age, you have achieved so much. Sobrang proud lang ako sa'yo. Alam mo yan, I will be here to support you and everything. And I am just so amazed with everything you have achieved. And I know there's so much more that you will achieve. And I always will believe in you. And it's so nice that you inspire so many people, especially the youth. You have such an amazing voice. Not just singing, but a voice in general. And I'm so sure that 5-year-old Belle will be so proud of you. She saw you right now.
22 years old. Congratulations on your upcoming concert. I know it's gonna be a success. And I'm so proud of you, more so the fact that you are collaborating with them creatively, not just as a singer or performer. And I'm so excited to see that all your ideas come to life. Congratulations on everything you've accomplished. I can't wait for what else God has in store for you, and I will be here to support you. I will always be rooting for you. Alam mo yan. Dito na ako. So,
I think the most important thing is making sure na nandun yung mga mahal niya sa buhay, tsaka yung mga taong sumusuporta sa kanya at nag-lift up sa kanya. So,
But you, nobody breaking me out my shell. But you, my mama always says eyes on the prize, so ain't nobody else.
I think the most important thing is making sure na nandun yung mga mahal niya sa buhay, tsaka